Monkster 1970. Today I'm going to be replacing the thermostat in my 1986 Camaro IROC-Z. Okay, first I'm going to remove these two clamps. Gonna see if I can take these two out. Remove that. Okay, I'm hoping that I can just remove this assembly and then get right down to the thermostat. So I'm going to remove this hose off of here, move that out of the way. I'm going to take this hose off of here, off the thermostat. Maybe. It's giving me a hard time. That off. Get that out of the way. I'm gonna loosen them in a crisscross pattern. Box there. Set that up here for now. I've not had this off before, so I'm not sure what kind of mess I'm going to be getting into. So that should just be it. Ow! Ow, ow. Yeah, it's good not to put your fingers underneath there. There are two vacuum lines underneath here. And just one vacuum line. And then I should be able to move that out of the way. Okay. My ratchet. They're not even tight. Probably a good reason why they were leaking, why the cover was leaking. That's it. Definitely needs cleaned up. And this should be a new gasket, so I should be able to just lift that up. Yeah, I should have cleaned that surface off better. And I'm going to clean that up, put the gasket back on, put it back together, and we should be good to go. Okay, I'm going to put the thermostat back in. I cleaned this up as good as I can. There's like some pits in there. Looks like it corroded. I'm going to put some RTV sealant on the gasket, because there's no way it's going to seal otherwise. Okay, I have a thin layer of RTV sealant on both sides of this. Set her in there. Get the cover. Let's start one of them down in there. I'm going to get the torque specs for that, and I'll be right back. Okay, the torque for the thermostat housing is 20 to 30 foot-pounds. I'm going to set this to 25. Let's snug both of them down. Set that one. Back on this one. Okay, that's 25. 25 for that. We'll check it. Yep. Yep. Okay, I'm going to install the vacuum line on the bottom of that. I'll plug in the idle air control. It's down here. It seems to be on. And then plug the throttle position sensor. And then I got to get the torque specs for these bolts, and I'll be right back. Okay, I'm gonna tighten these up to 8 feet. I'm going to tighten these up to 18 foot-pounds. Thought I had all of them snugged up, but I guess not. Yep. And yep. Slip it back in there. Jumping ahead of myself there a little bit. Put that on. Slide this hose on there while I'm here. Make sure this one's tight while I'm here. Yep, that's good. Now I can put this back on. There we go. Now let's get that mass airflow sensor back in there. Tighten that down. Swing that up around. Okay, and I can hook this up. And I think that'll do it. Now I just gotta fill it up with water and check to see if I have any leaks. Thanks for watching.